Hi, welcome back to English for Adults. Before we go on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the third video of my collection of idioms and phrasal verbs. Please check out the other videos in this series as I post them. In this video, I will talk about idioms and phrasal verbs about family. Your own flesh and blood. Kevin is your son, your own flesh and blood. A person or people that you are related to. Fight like cats and dogs. They fight like cats and dogs. I don't think their relationship is going to last. Two people who often have angry fights. In the US, they use the plural version. There's little, no love lost between them. They won't speak to each other. There's no love lost between them. They don't like each other. Close ranks. The family closed ranks to protect themselves against outsiders. If people close ranks, they join together to protect themselves, especially when they are being criticized. Turn on somebody. When his father died, Alex turned on everyone for the money. Attack somebody suddenly and unexpectedly. As miserable as sin. After everything that happened, she's miserable as sin. It's used to emphasize that somebody is very unhappy. Account for something. All the help she provided him must account for something. Be the reason of something. Result in something. All the arguing resulted in divorce. It causes a particular situation to happen. Put somebody on a pedestal. He puts her on a pedestal. She's perfect in his eyes. You admire somebody so much that you do not see their faults. Get away with murder. She allows her kids to do anything. She lets them get away with murder. You can do whatever you want without being stopped or punished. Squeeze somebody out. The youngest son is squeezed out of his father's will by the new wife. Usually passive. If somebody is squeezed out, they are no longer included in something that they were previously involved in. Starve somebody, something, of something. The girl is starved of love. Her parents don't care about her. Usually passive. If you are starved of something, you do not have enough of something that you need. Back something, somebody up. He backs up his wife when she disciplines the children. You either support something or somebody, or say that what somebody says or writes is true. Leave somebody out. They left their sister out of the discussion. You don't include somebody. Distance yourself from something. She distanced herself from her toxic family. You become less involved or connected with something. Make a point of doing something. She makes a point of calling her grandmother every week. You make a special effort to do something. Lavish something on somebody. She lavishes more attention on that dog than she does on her children. You give a lot, often too much, of something to somebody. Be the spitting image of somebody. She's the spitting image of her mother. You look extremely similar to someone. Helicopter parenting. She is always talking to her daughter's teachers and they don't like her helicopter parenting. A way of taking care of a child that involves a parent being very closely involved with their child's life, especially their education, and trying to control it too much. Run in the family. Cancer runs in the family, so everyone is checked regularly. If a quality, ability, disease, etc. runs in the family, many members of the family have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out other parts of the series as well as they become available. Please consider becoming my patron for as little as €3 a month.